Nothing spells family adventure like a camping trip and an authentic campfire-baked mountain pie. The Casa cast iron pie iron guarantees a perfect camp cooker experience every time, whether in the woods, mountains, or your own backyard. Made of extra durable cast iron, this camping sandwich maker is made to last for life. Rust-free when kept dry, your grandchildren will be using it decades later. With 2 removable different-length handles and a dismountable head, Casa pie iron is comfortable to use, easy to clean, and fits in your backpack. Double the average in size, the pie iron head fits more food and is lined with a grill grid, preserving food texture, moistness, and aroma. Pre-seasoned using innovative technology, the cast iron sandwich press is non-stick and hardly needs any oil to cook with. Make healthy pie iron pizza, grilled cheese and meats, moon pies, and many more. In fact, enjoy dozens of inspiring pie iron recipes in our bonus pie iron recipe ebook. Fall in love with pie iron cooking and make your camping experiences truly unforgettable.